We want to help you by selecting the best products.
October selection. Top 5.
Instant Vortex Air Fryer 4-in-1 Best Fries Ever. Roast Bake Reheat 6QT1700W. Its approximate price is $89.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Top 4.
Instant Pot or a Pro Multi-Use Programmable Slow Cooker with Sous. Vide 8 quart no pressure cooking functionality. Its approximate price is $149.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Would you like us to make a video of a product, or if you like this channel, let us know with your comments and support. Top 3.
Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker Slow Cooker Rice. Cooker Steamer Saute Yogurt Maker and Warmer 6 quart white 14-1 touch programs. Its approximate price is $89.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Top 2.
Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus Pressure Cooker 9-in-1. 6 QT48 1-touch programs. Its approximate price is $119.
More details for your purchase in the video description.
Top 1.
Instant Pot Air Fryer Lid 6-in-1 No Pressure. Cooking functionality 6QT1500W. Its approximate price is $79.
More details for your purchase in the video description. We hope we have helped you. If you would like us to update this or other reviews, let us know in the video comments.